welcome to my channel, and today I'm learning about BTS 7th anniversary. So before I get into the real journaling, I would usually make a rough sketch so I'll at least know what I'm aiming for. I also add some pictures that I found, matching them up so I kind of have an idea of what my page to look like. I find it easier for me to do this because I'm a very clumsy person and can easily mess up. But now that we have everything on plan, let's start. First of all, I work on Donghae, which is kind of like the main character. I think it matched the topic very well because in the recent we are proof the eternal envy there was a whale, and they also have a song called William 52. I finished my sketch only to find out that it's too small, so I had to do it all over again. So finally, after all the drawing, we can now get to the coloring part. I got this a long time ago, but it's still pretty good. I often use them for my drawing. I decided that the main color for this page will be purple because since we create the face for our hair, our purple hue, it kind of holds a special meaning. I color the part I want, and then I use a brush dip in water to spread the color out. Keep in mind that you would not want to apply too much water at the same time because it either rip the paper or the color will come out really pale. So I got to this with only watercolor. It don't really show off that well on camera, but it's fine. Right now I go in with color pencil for the details and shading. I never skip this because with color pencil, you can make your drawing look a lot more realistic. After I'm done with color pencil, I would go over it again with watercolor. It might sound troublesome, but this step helps you get rid of the lumpy texture. Now I use this pen to add a few metallic accents to it. So this is the final stage of the drawing. It actually took quite long, but I think it's worth it. So according to the Playmo made, as you can see, I drew clouds around the peach. I really like how this one looks, so I kind of want to recreate it. So I glued the wave to the page already. I had to cut in the middle, but overall it looked pretty good. I wanted to do the clouds by watercolor too, but after that I realized that the pages are actually quite thin. As you can see, I don't want to ruin the whole thing, so I have no choice but to use color pencil instead. I worked on this off camera, and to be honest, it took a lot of layers to completely cover the background and make it them look opaque. After that, I move on to a bookmarks. I have one right here and another one right there. I don't really write much, so I usually have a lot of things to cover the space. I bought this pack of paper colors, actually origami from Daiso a while ago. I use them for journaling a lot. For this box, I write I Will Never Let You Be the Lonely Whale, which was originally saved by RM. You know what? Just we'll move on to the next box now. For the second one, I wrote Why We Believe That We Are Together, Why We Believe That We Are Seven, which was saved by V. I don't have a good clip now, but I show a close-up of the whole page at the end. I did a title on a separate piece of paper because I don't want to mess up and I can have a lot of options by doing this. After a while, I got everything glued in, but it actually still look a bit clean, so I add some stickers. A useful tip is that you can just cut the sheets of sticker and use the outer part as stickers as well. I finally finished this page. I worked from noon and right now it's already nighttime, but I really like how it turned out. Everything goes well together and I'm in love with the purple theme. So that's the end of the video. Please like if you did enjoy this video, comment how you think about this page, and also subscribe if you want to see more test content. I will also be uploading my own edited videos and vlogs about my life.